Welcome to my YouTube channel Auto Craze Info. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most advanced and legendary fighter jets in the world of the 2025 F-22 Raptor. Even after more than 2 decades since its initial debut, the F-22 remains a symbol of stealth, power, and technological dominance in the skies. And for 2025, some exciting upgrades and developments keep this beast in the elite league of air superiority fighters. The F-22 Raptor, built by Lockheed Martin, was originally developed as part of the United States Air Force's Advanced Tactical Fighter program. Its first flight was back in 1997, and it officially entered service in 2005. But what makes the 2025 version so special? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about its core capabilities. The F-22 is designed primarily for air dominance missions, meaning it's built to control the skies by defeating enemy aircraft before they even know the Raptor is there. Thanks to its stealth technology, it can evade radar detection and sneak into contested airspace with minimal risk of being tracked or targeted. The 2025 iteration of the F-22 includes significant software and hardware upgrades under what's known as the Raptor Agile Capability Release, or RACR. This program introduces regular updates to ensure the aircraft stays ahead of emerging threats. The latest version features improved radar systems, better data fusion, enhanced electronic warfare capabilities, and an upgraded cockpit interface for pilots. One of the standout features in 2025 is the integration of the new Open Mission Systems architecture. This allows faster and more flexible integration of new tech, like updated sensors, communication links, and even AI-based decision aids. This is a huge step forward, as it enables rapid development cycles and keeps the F-22 relevant without needing a complete redesign. In terms of weapons, the F-22 remains lethal. It carries a combination of air-to-air missiles like the AIM-120 and AIM-9 Sidewinders, along with the 20mm M61A2 Vulcan cannon. It can also be equipped for air-to-ground missions with JDAM precision-guided bombs, although its main role is still air superiority. The internal weapons bay maintains stealth by hiding its weapons until it's time to strike, preserving a radar-evading profile. The engine is a 2 Pratt & Whitney F119 PW100 turbofans to deliver incredible thrust with afterburners and allow supercruise, which means it can fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburner. This gives the Raptor a massive tactical advantage over most enemy aircraft that rely heavily on afterburners for high-speed flight. One of the major highlights of the 2025 upgrade is the improved BLOSA beyond line-of-sight communication capability. With the rise of next-gen warfare that depends on data sharing across platforms, the F-22 now supports seamless communication with 5th and even 6th generation aircraft, like the F-35 and upcoming GAD fighters. This multi-domain integration is critical for coordinated missions and advanced tactical planning. Another interesting feature added recently is the Helmet-Mounted Display System, or HMDS. Earlier versions of the F-22 didn't have this, unlike the F-35, but now, pilots get improved situational awareness with data projected directly into their helmets, making target tracking and weapon deployment much more intuitive and fast. Also new in 2025 is the use of artificial intelligence to assist pilots with threat analysis and mission planning. While not autonomous, the AI systems on board help process vast amounts of battlefield data and suggest possible maneuvers or responses. This reduces pilot workload and increases decision-making speed, especially in fast-paced dogfights or complex operations. Let's not forget stealth, the hallmark of the F-22. Its shape, coating materials, and engine placement reduce radar cross-section to a minimum. The 2025 upgrades also include improvements to its radar-absorbing coatings, making it more durable and resistant to environmental wear while maintaining its invisibility cloak. Despite its dominance, the F-22's production was limited. Only around 187 operational aircraft were ever made due to high costs and shifting defense priorities. However, because of its unmatched capabilities, the U.S. Air Force has committed to keeping it in service through the 2030s with continued upgrades like the ones seen in 2025. There have been discussions about exporting the F-22, but it remains exclusive to the United States due to its sensitive technologies. That said, lessons learned from the F-22 have influenced the development of newer fighters like the F-35 Lightning II and the upcoming GAD platform. Let's take a moment to appreciate what makes the F-22 such a game-changer even today. Its combination of speed, stealth, agility, and advanced avionics puts it in a class of its own. It can detect enemy aircraft before being seen, engage at long range, and disappear without a trace. When it comes to dogfighting, its thrust-vectoring nozzles give it unmatched maneuverability, letting it pull off insane aerial moves that most fighters can't even attempt. Maintenance and operational costs are still a challenge, and the Raptor is definitely not cheap to fly. But the U.S. military sees it as an essential part of its air dominance strategy, especially as potential adversaries like China and Russia develop their own advanced stealth fighters. To wrap it all up, the 2025 F-22 Raptor isn't just a remnant of early 2000s military technology. It's a constantly evolving, deadly force in modern air combat. With enhanced sensors, better integration with allied forces, eye assistance, and improved stealth coatings, the Raptor remains a critical asset for U.S. air power. As we move further into the era of digital warfare and next-gen fighter development, the F-22 continues to prove why it earned its reputation as the king of the skies. Thanks for watching today's episode. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AutoCraze Info for more awesome content on the world's most powerful vehicles and machines. Let me know in the comments what aircraft or military machine you want us to cover next. See you in the next one.